All right, time for the answers on pages 883 to 885. Because I need glasses for this. Number one, the capacity of a container is which of the following? D, the amount that it can hold. Capacity is how much fits. Number two, customary units of length are measured in which of the following? G, wow, G, weird. Inches, feet, yards, and miles. Number three, the metric system is based on which of the following? Decimals. Did you get that right?
Oh, I wasn't trying to.
Let's see if my son got it right. He wasn't trying. Decimals, not fractions, not inches, not gallons. Number four, when you convert from feet to inches, you're doing which of the following? You are changing the measurement unit. Everything else was determining. The only one that said changing, converting, changing. Number five, when finding the mass of an object, you determine which of the following? Its weight. What does it weigh? Mass is just a fancy way of saying weight. Yeah, exactly. My son agrees. Page 884. Number 6, 84 inches equals how many feet? 84 divided by 12 equals 7. Number 7, 9 yards equals how many inches? 9 times 36 equals 324. Number 8, 7,920 yards equals how many miles? 7,920 divided by 1,760 equals 4.5. 4.5 miles. Number 9, 64,000 pounds equals how many tons? Divided by 2,000, 32. Pretty easy, 32. Number 10, 7.5 pounds equals how many ounces? Multiply that by 16, and I got 120. Number 11, 62 ounces equals how many pounds and ounces? I divided 62 by 16. I got 3 pounds. My remainder was 14, so 3 pounds, 14 ounces. Number 12, 7 pints equals how many cups? There are 2 cups in every pint. So, I did it wrong. I divided. I'm supposed to multiply. 14 cups. Number 13, 12 cups equals how many quarts? There are 4 cups in a quart, because there are 2 cups in a pint and 2 pints in a quart. And so therefore, the answer is 3, dividing. Number 14, your question?
Well, I wanted you to set up the hammock, but you're busy.
Yeah, I'll set up the hammock in a sec.
No, wait.
Okay, give me 5 minutes. Number 14, 72 pints equals how many gallons? How many pints in a gallon? I believe that there are 8, because there are 2 pints in every quart, 4 quarts in every gallon. 2 times 4 is 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 15, 120 millimeters equals how many centimeters? Well, there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter, so divide 120 by 10, and you got 12. 16, I told you can skip. Congratulations. 17. Brianna has quarters, dimes, and nickels in her purse. She has 3 fewer nickels than dimes. She has 2 more nickels than quarters. If Brianna has 2 quarters, how much money does she have? Well, she's got 2 quarters. How many nickels she has? She has 2 more nickels than quarters. She has 4 nickels. How many dimes does she have? Well, she has 3 fewer nickels than dimes. So dimes she has, how many nickels plus 3? So that's 7. 2 quarters, 50 cents. 4 nickels, 20 cents. 4 times 5. 7 dimes, 7 times 10, 70 cents. Add it all up, she's got $1.40. She's rich. 18, a detergent bottle holds 700 milliliters. Find the capacity in liters. Divide 700 by 1,000, you got 0.7 liters. 19, Tyler rides his bike from his house to the library 1.5 miles away. Then he rides 1,320 feet to the park. If he returns home the same way, what is the total distance Tyler will travel? So all those distances you're going to double. The 1.5 miles, 1.5 miles, double that. 1.5 times 2 is 3. 1,320 feet, you're going to double that. That's 2,640 feet. How much of a mile is that? That is a half a mile. I divided 2,640 by 5,280. You can kind of see it, that 40 and the 80, 26 and the 52. So that adds another half a mile. So in total, Tyler biked 3.5 miles. Dika measured the mass of 100 sheets of paper as 1,500 grams. How many kilograms would one sheet of paper weigh? Well, I divided 1,500 grams by 100, so I could figure out how much one sheet is. 100 sheets is 1,500 grams divided by 100, and you have 15 grams for every sheet of paper. Divide that 15 by 1,000, and you get 0.015 kilograms. Much easier to say 15 grams. The last one, test practice. Maisha is using special paint. The art supply store charges $1.50 per cup of paint. Maisha needs 2 pints, it's 4 cups, of blue paint, 3 cups of green paint, now up to 7, 1.5 quarts, 6 more cups, up to 13, and a half a cup of yellow, 13.5. So now all you have to do is multiply 13.5 times 150, 1.5, and the answer is D, $20.25. Excellent. We are done with this chapter. Tomorrow I'll send you a test. Yeah. Wahaha.